See, this is exclusively for MACD. I'll remove other things. See, Bank Nifty advanced chart. See, I'll remove RSI, even Super 10. If you keep 5 minutes now, yeah, everything is coming. See, if you use 5 minutes, you don't get much signals. See, 1 minute means you can exit the trade immediately, and you can generally you should not be in market for long. See, 1 minute trade, if you execute within few minutes, sometime within seconds also it will execute. See, I'll remove Super Trend also. Okay, let it be. I think it is visible. I don't know whether this can be brought upside. So if it is not visible, try to use full screen mode. When you are watching, I am recording with full screen only, but when you are watching, it is not displaying entire one. So there is time, right? 9:15, 9:30. Below that there is MACD. See the black one. If it cross red line and going upside, then you can take the time buy positions. Call buy or put selling. See at 9:30 you see MACD is coming down. That means here you can take call selling. Even you can start taking from 9:20 itself. See, it is in peak mode. See, it is in peak mode. At the same time, you observe the candles, upside candles. So at 9:28 it cut the red line and coming down. See here, upside, observe the candles. So super trend given the down arrows. So this is almost fallen from 2150 to 20,850, almost 300 points. So in the earlier video I also told, no, 300 points it is fallen down, but premium it was showing the same thing. So that is due to technical issue. See here MACD, this is 1 minute chart. So if you place order this point, you can get profit in 1 minute, even 2 minutes also. You can exit whatever profit, you can exit. Otherwise you can wait till it is crossing or till it is coming up. So if you have profit, where to book the profit? That is the another issue. Sometimes the profit will become loss also. Profit will become zero, profit will reduce. So that to protect the profit, you need to observe this MACD. So it crossed to some extent, then it will start reversing. Here there you can take the square up position. So see here again the black line crossed the red line and it is going up. Here you can take call buy or put selling. Sometimes there will be risky, so don't stay in the market for long. Get the profit and exit. Sometimes there will be fake signals, still you will be in profit, some profit, 200, 300, 400. So this kind of thing when you are using, you try to buy or sell in the money call or put. That means even in the money if you take, no, you will get the profit also more. Sometimes you can predict the market. So when it it reaches the peak, that time itself you can take the sell position. So when you keep on doing, you will get idea. So if you are able to view, then it's fine. If you are unable to view, then use the full screen mode. I'm giving it for you only. If you have any doubt, just comment on this video.